Good day, ma'am. I am Sosette Incha Modesto. Our topic for today is tool marks. Before we proceed to our lesson, let's start with the lesson objectives. Students should be able to explain the characteristics of tool marks and identify the different types of tool marks. Second, slide summary. First slide, it contains title, objectives, slide summary, and presenter identity. Second slide, tools and tool marks and characteristics of tool marks. Third slide, types of tool marks. Fourth slide, three major category of tool marks. And the last, collection and examination of tool marks and how the tool marks help in criminal investigation. Now I will discuss the tools, tool marks, and characteristics of tool marks. Tools. It is a device or implement, especially one held in hand, used to carry out a particular function. It can be used in the commission of crimes. They can aid criminals in gaining entry or damaging property. When the tools are used, they can leave behind marks on the surfaces they contact. Tool marks is defined as the impression left by the contact of a tool onto a surface. There are two characteristics of tool marks, class and individual. The class characteristics of a tool mark include the type of impression, its general shape, and its general dimensions. Individual characteristics are the striations and small particularities exhibited by the tool that are individual to one unique tool. They consist of small, commonly microscopic indentation, ridges, and irregularities present on the tool itself. Now for the third slide, there are basically two types of marks left by tools on surfaces with which they have come in contact. The first type is an impression, which is a negative reproduction of the tool surface, such as a screwdriver or pry bar impression, left on windows or doors that have been forced open, or punch impression and shapes. The second type is an abrasion or friction mark, left by the sliding or cutting action of the tool, which produces striated areas on the marked surface. Occasionally, impressions made by tools with striated surface may resemble in appearance abrasion or friction marks. Now, there are three major categories of tool mark: the indentation mark, abrasion mark, and the cutting marks. First, the indentation marks are made by a tool when it is pressed against a softer surface, often forming a negative impression on the object receiving the force. Next, abrasion marks are made when the surface slides across one another. And last, cutting marks are produced along the edge as a surface is cut. And for the last slides, steps in collection and examination of tool marks. First, the tool marks is observed, measured, and described. Second, a photograph perpendicular to the tool mark is taken. This provides a permanent record of the class and some individual characteristics of the tool mark. Then, if the support onto which the tool mark is located cannot be collected as evidence, a cast of the tool mark is made. This cast is usually made with polymeric dental paste. Next, when a tool is discovered and its class characteristics match with ones exhibited by the tool mark, the comparison process is started. A comparison microscope is used to perform the comparison process. The incriminated tools tool mark is placed on the left side of the microscope and the comparison mark is on the right side. And that's for all for this video presentation and this lesson tool mark. Thank you, mom, for watching.